We ready?
Wait, I need a video.
Here we go. When is it gonna go on? It's going.
Just go ahead.
Oh, I'm hearing it. Alright, okay. We ready for the show? I don't know. It's funny. Alright, trust me, this is funny. Okay. It's Oriental. That's not true, so don't mark your points. It's not foundable. Alright. I don't feel like. Okay, the history of the cat. It was alright, it was originated in the United States and Thailand. It's closely related to the Siamese cat, so it's like really, as you can tell, kind of close. It was really popular in the 1970s. That's when it really became famous, and it's made just to be a home cat, not like a barn cat or anything like that. Okay, so it's 12 to 15 inches long. It's a big breed. It was made to that. It has 300 different color patterns, so you can really find like one of the kind of exact same. 5 to 10 pounds of all muscle. So this thing's
like all muscle.
All muscle, like.
Yeah.
10 to 15 years is their lifespan. I think it's pretty good for a cat. And their ears can pick up radio length, which means they have just huge ears. It is creepy. I don't know why you want to buy this cat. Personality. It's highly intelligent, one of the smartest breeds. It's very clingy. It gets to press. Not enough, if it doesn't get enough attention from its owner.
It is cool.
It's a very curious breed of cat, and they're just bored entertainers, so they just get easily entertained. And I think they should sniff out drug deals because they're big ears. They have a very good scent and smell, and they're very smart. They can hear. They can hear through the walls.
Why they can hear their hearing.
It's so good they can smell through their ears.
Thank you. Grooming and caretaking. So they don't shed a lot because they're closely related to the Siamese cat. They have very short hair. If you just, that's so long. Gosh, hey, that's a point doc. But if you kind of stroke them with the soft cloth, it said just multiple times, a couple times a month, you should be fine. They're low maintenance.
What is that word supposed to be?
Stroke. Very low maintenance. They do have some liver problems, but I didn't really see anything else besides just
Nothing else.
Because they're killer cats. Interesting fact. Oh gosh, I forgot about this video. Here's a video of what it sounds like.
Turn up the volume.
That might be the ugliest.
It looks like Colter.
Okay.
It's clean like Cade. It looks like a killer cat. It's like one of the smartest cat breeds. I even saw that it's like the smartest cat breed. It gets attached real easily, like my relationship. It's good for little kids, and it meows a hawk.
Yeah, it'll eat your kids.
That will not eat your kids.
So explain the picture on the bottom.
This is my cat, so it's ugly.
There's my cat on the farm.
This one?
That's my cat.
Oh, this exotic. Well, it's close to.
It's close
It's
to
close.
this one.
So it says goblin to what?
Unit.
Unit.
Like me, a unit.
You are that cat. That looks like you.
I want to be that.
100% goblin.
Yeah,
That's it. How do I get out of here?
Let's
Like,
kill that. Nice, love it.
Oh, I got it. Who's up next?
Let's give Colter a round of applause.
Who's going next?
I don't know why, but when you guys clap on that, it reminds me of a prison. Definitely reminds me of a prison.
Nailed it. 100%.
Sometimes I wonder.
Hundo, baby. Hundo.
Okay.